Ladies and gentlemen, here right in front of us, the most famous bridge of the city, the Skinny Bridge.
The Mahara Brook, otherwise referred to as the famous Skinny Bridge, stretches all the way across the Amstel River. Of Amsterdam's 1,500 or so bridges, this is the most famous. It dates back to the 17th century and was likely a narrow footbridge. Since then, it's been reconstructed more than once and grown wider with age. Legend has it that whoever you kiss while passing under the bridge will be your true love for life.
Sana dito maganda na yung
actually can do the job very well because there's nice restaurants, nice bars, easy to reach within like Central Europe.
Ayan na.
It's beautiful.
When you go to the beach daw, as the actors.
That's me tomorrow. Let her figure things out.
But then if it's a no, then she should just go. It's also fine if I leave it in the kitchen. I
Nagalitan din sila sa harap na pinicturan.
Yeah, but it's not about the money. It's also that here it's the most easy, and I think the easiest is the third place because
We're now on Canal Cruise, or the Gentleman's Canal. It was part of a careful plan to expand the city. In the early 17th century, a time of tremendous physical and economic growth, 3 new canals were laid out in concentric rings. The Herengracht was innermost. The Kaisersgracht, or Emperor's Canal, was in the middle, followed by the Prinsengracht, or the Prince's Canal.
The wealthiest citizens, shipbuilders, merchants, investors, and politicians built elegant mansions on the Herengracht. The Kaisersgracht was solidly middle class, while the Prinsengracht had a more industrial atmosphere.